I am not born a monster. I am born into the cold. The forest does not welcome me. It tests me. Every step I take is learned. Every breath is earned. Humans call me wolf, but I am more than a name. I am balance. I am memory. I am the echo that never truly disappears. I walk for miles without sound, not because I am afraid, but because silence keeps me alive. My paws know this land better than my eyes. I can smell what you cannot see, hear what you would never notice. I know when winter is coming before the sky decides to show it. Hunger teaches patience. I do not hunt out of cruelty. I hunt because life demands movement. When I run, my heart becomes the drum of the forest. I can reach speeds of nearly 60 kilometers per hour, but I never waste my strength. Energy is survival. Timing is everything. I am not alone. Despite what legends say, I do not survive by myself. I survive because of us. The pack is not chaos, it is order. Each wolf has a role. Each role matters. Leadership is not dominance, it is responsibility. The strongest wolf does not walk in front. Sometimes the strongest walks behind, protecting the weak, watching the unseen. We move as one body, one breath, one decision. This is why we endure. These are my children. They learn through play, through falling, through following. They bite too hard. They run too fast. They fail safely because we allow them to. This is how instinct becomes wisdom. This is how the future learns to survive. When we eat, there is no waste. Every part of the hunt is honored. Nothing is taken lightly. Life gives life, and one day, mine will be given too. This is not sadness, it is truth. Sometimes I walk alone. Not all solitude is weakness. Some wolves leave the pack to find new lands, new bloodlines, new beginnings. Loneliness is dangerous, but stagnation is worse. In the chase, there is no hatred, only focus. The weak fall behind, the strong endure. Nature is not cruel, it is honest. This is my voice. A howl is not a cry for help, it is a message. I am here. This land is alive. We are still breathing. My voice can travel more than 10 kilometers, through trees, through darkness, through fear. For thousands of years, humans feared me. They told stories where I was the villain. They forgot I was keeping the forest alive. Without me, the balance breaks. Too many prey, too little renewal, too much silence. I do not ask to be loved. I ask to be understood. I am not your enemy. I am not your nightmare. I am the wild that still remembers how the world once breathed. And as long as you hear my howl in the distance, you will know the forest is not yet lost.